Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys remember, I reviewed multiple of these products from different brands before. So first, let me unbox and show you guys what comes out the package first before we apply it on and test it out. So when we open this little component right here, you guys can see it's all individually packed. So that way you guys can use whatever you guys need instead of opening everything up. So it comes in 2 of these 200 gram purifying bags, and then it comes with 10 of these 75 gram bags, so you guys can use it for your shoes or whatever the case may be. And the lifespan for these products is pretty amazing as well. So like once you guys finish using it for a certain amount of time, you guys can leave it out in the sun. So that way the sunlight can kill off any bacteria or whatever case may be that's on the product itself. So that way you guys can reuse it again and again and again. So basically for these products, it's mainly for people who want to like remove any kind of odor in the shoes, their clothes, and the list goes on. And then the one main difference I noticed from this package is the fact that it has these little hole where you can actually put it through, just like the other ones, but then these don't actually provide you the hooks. So if you guys need the hooks, then this one won't have the hooks on here. So that's definitely one thing to kind of consider, but that's basically everything that comes with the package. Now let's actually apply it onto the shoe to show you what it kind of looks like, and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so you can see here the purifying bags that are being used right here for my shoes. So far it's been working really well, but in order for you guys to get the full effect of these purifying bags, you guys have to use it for a long period of time, or it won't fully work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that actually it does work, or you guys can't really see that it does work, but I can tell you guys that it actually does work. The material that's on here is same as the other ones I've tested, where it has the premium bamboo charcoal material inside to remove any kind of odor on the shoes. I've been using these kind of like purifying bags for a really long time, and they actually work really well to remove the odor. It's not like an instant removal. It actually takes some time to kind of remove it, so you guys will have to leave it on for a long period of time. So if you have more than one shoe, then use another shoe and then put these onto the other shoe to kind of remove the odor, and then switch off. So then that way you guys can for sure remove all the odor out of the shoes, because if you guys keep using the same shoe over and over again, you guys won't have enough time to kind of remove the odor. So now that I show you guys what comes out of the package and how to use the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously I have to say that this product is really worth it if you guys need it or want one, especially for those of you guys who have like really bad odor when you guys wear your shoe, or if you guys are wearing clothes that have bad odor as well. You guys can hang this right next to your clothes to kind of remove any kind of smell or odor from the clothing. But obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or need one, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much just a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have